Good morning, my dear lovely kids. Dear kids, today we will connect each picture to the one it rhymes. It means in this we will match this picture like this is pig. We will match this picture with that word only which rhymes egg sound. Means we will match each picture to the one that it rhymes. Now let us start. See, this is the picture of pig. Pig. Now let us see the pictures given on other sides. We have to find out the picture of egg sound word. We have to find out the picture of egg sound words. Now let us start. This is the picture of pin. This is of in sound. This is the picture of kate. This is of it sound. This is the picture of sape. This is of ip sound, so we will not match. This is the picture of egg, fig, and this is egg, pig, egg, fig. See, this is also the picture of egg sound, so we will match pig with fig like this. Now let us see the second picture. See, this is the picture of bin. Bin. Now we will try to find out the picture of in sound. This is the picture of nip. This is of ip sound, so we will not match. This is the picture of kate. It is of it sound, so we will not match. This is the picture of sape. This is of ip sound, so we will not match. This is the picture of fig. It is of ig sound, so we will not match. See, this is the picture of a pin. Pin. This is of in sound. So we will match bin with pin. Bin, pen like this. Now let us see the next picture. See, this is the picture of a lid. Lid. This is of id sound. Now we will find out the picture of id sound here. This is the picture of in sound, in pen. This is the picture of it sound, kate. This is the picture of ip sound, sape. This is the picture of ig sound, egg, fig. This is the picture of in sound, pen. See, here is the picture of id sound. This is a kid and he hides behind the wall. Hid. Hid. Lid. So we will match lid with hid like this. Now let us see the next picture. This is the picture of bib. Bib. Now we will find out the picture of ib sound. See, this is the picture of nib. Nib. And this is bib. Both pictures are of ib sound. So we will match bib with nib like this. Now see, this is the picture of zip. Zip. This is the picture of ip sound. So we will find out here the picture of ip sound. Na, ib, nib. Ka, it, kate. Here is the picture of sa, ip, sip. So we will match zip with sip like this. Now let us see this picture. See dear kids, this is the picture of hit. This boy is hitting the ball with his bat. Her it, hit. This is the picture of it sound. So here we will find out the picture of it sound. This is na, ib, nib. This is ka, it, kate. So this is her, it, hit. This is ka, it, kate. Both pictures are of it sound. So we will match hit with kate like this. Now my dear kids, it's your turn to do this pattern. Connect each picture to the one it rhymes at home with the help of your mother. Thank you. Have a nice day.